Hi there. It's good to see you again. Today's episode will be on tips to ensure a successful financial independence plan. Before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe. It takes 2 seconds of your time and it means the world to us. Now let's jump right in. First things first, you must coordinate your financial plans to maximize your returns. We have outlined the 7 crucial steps to financial planning that will allow you to reach your goals within the time that you require, with tax benefits, and with minimal risk. Tip number 1, emergency cash reserves. Always set aside 30 to 50% of your pay in an account from which you can withdraw money on short notice without penalty. For any short-term unexpected expenditures, try to avoid using credit card and use this cash instead. Tip number 2, risk management. Insurance is the surest form of risk management. So, insure your car, home, and other significant assets. You may also consider life insurance to help compensate for lost income and repay debts in case of death. Tip number 3, estate plan. Make sure your will is up to date and you have a durable power of attorney as provision for your financial and medical care. These will ensure that your assets are maintained and passed on to your future generations. Tip number 4, and one of the most important ones, goal setting. This is the coordinating framework for your financial plan. Whenever you receive an investment offer, always ask yourself whether it is productive for your goals. This commitment will help you remain focused in the long run. Tip number 5, investments. You need to have an asset allocation plan customized to keep the element of risk within limits you find acceptable. Without this, your investments will be subject merely to the fluctuation of the economy instead of being directed by your requirements. Tip number 6, retirement plans. The income for supplementing your Social Security will derive from defined contribution plans and benefit plans. During your working life, try to make as many yearly contributions to these set plans as possible. These funds grow fast as a result of tax deferral, and since they are sourced right from your paycheck, they are relatively painless. The last tip on the list, number 7, tax planning. This means taking advantage of all the possible tax deductions and tax-deferred plans that you are permitted by law, as well as using tax credits wherever you are eligible. A good tax plan may save you thousands of dollars. If you feel that you can't handle all this on your own, seek the services of a fee-only financial advisor or a financial coach to devise a comprehensive plan according to your assets and your needs. As you can tell, these tips are for you to have a general idea of what is needed in order to succeed and have good control over your finances. No one's resources and goals are the same, so be sure to create a financial plan that best suits you. That's it for this video. Like and subscribe for part 3. Thanks for listening.